Alright guys, so got this one stripped. I've got that one there stripped. I'm gonna get those two because that is a ground. That is positive. I've already touched them. I've already popped the fuse. So I'm gonna go ahead and get those two done. I'm using these style connectors. It's a solder in the middle, heat shrink. You just heat them, they solder together, and then you're done with them. They work really well. I've used them quite a bit. So I'll get those done. I'll show you, get that done, and I'll show you how well it works. Alright guys, where's my light? Here's my final thing. I didn't able to get these in there because trying to get torch in that little fucking thing to melt everything is going to be almost impossible. So there's my fixes. The power wire is in a heat shrink one. That was a little easier. The ground is not a heat shrink, but I couldn't find another heat shrink for now. But that's where I'm at. I'm getting ready. I gotta find which fuse I blew, then find fuses in general. There they are. Find out which fuse I blew and double check everything. Be back.